Good morning and welcome to my studio. I'm Cindy Walton and my studio is in Asheville, North Carolina, where I live, and I also reside in the River Arts District. So let me open the door and you all come on in. Now that you're here, I'd like to show you around and tell you a little bit about how my studio and gallery operate and the artwork you see on the walls. I'm open to the public Thursdays through Saturday, 11 to 4, and if I'm not here, I have a studio assistant that will talk with folks that come and visit in the River Arts District. We are very unique in the sense that we can have studios and galleries and actually sell to the public here. So as you move around the studio, you'll see a lot of large and small oil paintings. I paint with oil and I use a cold wax medium. And I describe my work as abstract, but pulling from the natural world. Then as we come through here, as I turn my back to the camera, I also have another body of work I've titled Constructs. And these are the three-dimensional pieces that a lot of you have seen online and on Facebook and social media. But the nugget I want to share with you today is in my actual working area. So here I am in my workspace, which is also part of the bigger room, and both of my tables are on casters, so they can be moved around depending on how I'm painting. So if you look here, this is a large 48 by 48 painting I just completed. I'm going to put on my apron and my gloves because it's still wet and I don't really want to get oil paint all over the place. But what I've done, because of the size of these and a floor, I've rigged a wall easel. I don't care for traditional easels because they wobble a lot. And they have a hard time supporting the larger panels. So I'm going to take this guy off, and you can see the structure of the wall easel. It's very easy to make. My husband actually made this for me. These are 2x4s, and the 2x4s we put 5/8 inch drilled holes in it, and then got a dowel rod that would fit and cut them off in peg form. Then each 2x4 is exactly, let me get one that's actually connected here, is 16 by 16 from point to point. And I chose that size so I could work with 36s, 24s, 36s, 48s, and larger. Then all I do is I rearrange the pegs how it best suits the painting I'm working on, and magic. Yes, there is some motion going on, but it's not as much as what happens with a traditional easel. So that's my tidbit for today, and good luck. Thank you.